Hey, big shout out to JDM Right Hand Drive. He did a video installing upgraded speakers in his 22WX. I'm going to be doing the same thing on my channel. The only difference is I've done a little bit more research and I'm going to be doing a little bit better quality speakers, at least in my opinion, than the Rockford Fosgates. So I'm going to be going with the JBLs. These are the GTO 939s. This is going to be for the back, and then for the fronts, we'll be going with the GTO 629 for the 6x5 inch. So we're upgrading our speakers. We're going to be doing an install. These are, like I said, these are some of the better rated speakers for better bass and sound. Like I said, so for affordable speakers, they're kind of one of the top rated ones. The Rockford Fosgate ones that he got are really good. These ones are just a little bit more popular and have a little bit more bass to them. It's kind of what I'm looking for my particular car. So I'm kind of taking what he used, except I'm going to be getting the adapters and both of the speaker adapters so I can get everything plugged in. So I'm gonna go ahead and order this. Like I said, this is his option. I think it's a little bit cheaper. I think it's like 200 bucks. This one's 258. So yeah, after taxes, you're probably talking 265. But for a solid upgrade, still half the price of OEM Audio Plus. Of course, this is not 100% plug and play like theirs is, but I'm sure this is still going to get some really great sound quality.